How to streak freeze on Duolingo. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. Streak freeze is a feature that you can use in Duolingo which allows you to protect your streak in case you miss a day of practice. It is a safety net preventing your streak from resetting to zero. Now, if you want to know more about streak freeze and how to do it, watch this video till the end. So firstly, if you have your Duolingo application, make sure to launch your application. If not, you can head over to Duolingo website as well. So once you have logged in into your Duolingo, as you can see that my streak is entirely zero. Now to prevent it from happening in the future, just tap on the streak option. Here you will see the option of you are out of streak freeze, get more. Tap on the get more option. As you can see, a streak freeze can be bought by using 400 gems. So all you need to do is tap on refill. Then select on got it. After which you'll be able to get yourself a streak freeze and you will be able to save your streak as well. Now if you don't have the feature in the streak, you can find the option in the shop as well. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try. Thank you so much for tuning in.